Hello, my friends. This is your friend Tay Flores. This time to do another analysis for the Forex market for this coming week. I haven't done doing videos for a while now, but I'm planning to restart doing them again. That way we can, if it helps you, please let me know in the comments. Pretty much, I'm gonna start from zero. I'm gonna remove all the drawings right now. So let's start with the Euro USD. Pretty much. I always like to see the daily and see the price action on daily and broken structures. You can see we have it. Let's do the analysis real quick. I'll make this. I'll start from this point right here. Pretty much, I'll start at this point. You can see we have a lower low. The market did a lower low, then did a kind of a double top. And the first thing I noticed on a daily is we have a broken structure at this point. In the ICT methods, we call this a broken structure to the low and the daily, which is very important. So once we have our broken breakable structure, we can easily mark it right here. Put it right there. Let me change the color of that because you can't see it. Pretty much, we know the market broke to the bottom right here. So every time we have this, I know we're looking for a retracement. Anywhere in between these 2 points. So we have a high right here, and our low at this point. That's what we have so far. So now what I look at the RSI, we are oversold on the daily. It doesn't mean that the market is just going to turn right away, but it's due for either retracement or continue the daily, or it can be even the weekly direction. We have historic, well, not historic, but we know that the market's been consolidating, or what we consolidate in the weekly here. We have high, low, and then the market's being boxed in this price action right there. This is in the weekly. That's very long. So we're focusing right now. It's in the daily, right? So we know we have room for the bottom, but this week I'm waiting for a return from the markets. If I use Bollinger Bands right here, I know the market is already outside the Bollinger Bands. I normally go to the 4-hour at this point before I enter the market. We will have a divergence right there. That was an entrance to buy this last week. So I am not doing no more like 1-hour trades, half an hour, 15 minutes. It's like intraday. What I'm doing is enter trades and leave them for a week or two until they get a profit. And it's been real good in the last few months. So I decided to start doing analysis altogether. So what I'm expecting for the markets to do is a retracement for this week. So we're gonna look at marks right there. We are waiting for a retracement. It could be at that point, obviously. The market can keep going, right now we know we're in this low right there, but if you look left, the market can go all the way down here still. So we are waiting for that retracement and then to continue in direction down in the daily. Let's look at GPUSD. How the daily looks. Okay, we are right here in the bottom of a structure. So if I look at the daily right now, last broken structure that we can find, it will be this one. Let's see. Let me do the analysis real quick on the daily. Okay. Let's do a quick analysis Obviously, in the on the macro, we have this moves right here, which are very, very high. But let's do the last leg, which is this one right here. So just from far like that, look at it from far, let me make it a little bigger. When we went to the markets, we're low. When it's like that, I normally go to the highest one right there. That one. That one. Then we have a broken structure right there. So we go this one. Then the market, after that move, the market retrace it to this point. Then we're going here, 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 and now we're at this point. So obviously, it's a decision point when we don't know exactly what the market is going to do. But this is where I go to my RSI to tell me if I'm oversold or not. And the market is telling me it looks more oversold than anything. 1 second. And then I use my Bollinger Bands at this point, and we haven't really got out of the Bollinger Bands from. By my experience, what I will be expecting the market to go lower, to be honest. Anywhere in this area over here. So let's look at the 4-hour. Obviously, this week the market can do a retracement, and then continue lower in the daily. That's pretty much what I'm looking at, pretty much. So I like the market to maybe do a retracement and then go a little lower before we can continue our direction up in the GBP/USD. So we're gonna leave it where it is right now. USD. Last broken structure is this area right here. Market, it's going up, and the market is not completely oversold. Same situation right here. I'm waiting for the market to give me a real oversold market below, either lower than that. So we can probably see a retracement and then coming lower this week, pretty much for the USD. NCD USD real quick. The market is boxed right here into this. So I'm waiting for this to go lower here. Market, pretty much what I'm looking at, the market is going to retrace this week and hopefully drop lower, maybe in the middle of the week or maybe next week. We'll see how it happens, but I'm waiting for the market to go lower after a retracement this week. USD/JPY. Okay, this one just looks a little bit different. So the last real broken structure, I see it over here, but if I go to the weekly, that's like a double bottom, if you can see that. We have a double bottom. Let me see. This area and this area over here. Okay. I'm expecting the market to go higher than that, maybe break the structure at this point before, but we'll probably get a retracement if we go to the 4-hour. Yeah, I'm waiting for the market to do a retracement and then to continue the direction up. And then the last one we're going to do is the USD CAD. Let me get rid of this. So if you notice, I got in at this trade right here because of that reason. We had clear divergence in the RSI. Plus, Bollinger Bands were oversold outside of the Bollinger Bands. That was the reason I entered a trade. I think I got out around here, half the way. But the market's still going up for my taste in the 4 hours. It's due for a retracement. It is due for a retracement this week. So the market's going to retrace that definitely this week and then to continue to up. So I'd rather wait for this retracement before I go continue in our direction higher. pretty much to that level right there. Okay, folks, so let's look at the gold also. I know a lot of people are trading gold nowadays, daily. Let me get rid of this. So the last real broken structure here, it was to see. I like for this to be because I'm definitely my bias is to the low this week. So what we can do is just wait for the market to be overbought here in the RSI, and also it's outside of the Bollinger Bands already. But always, just a better confirmation for me is when I have a divergence in the RSI before I sell. In the 4 hour, sometimes in 1 hour, but it's a little more risky. As you can see, we do have a divergence in the 1 hour. I trust more the 4 hours. We are definitely here in resistance. All this area is already resistant. One way you can do also before you enter the market is go to the forward confirmation. You can go to 15-minute and wait for market structures to be starting broken to the bottom. For example, this, I will definitely wait until the market breaks this structure and then wait for that retracement and go into the market lower. I'll use 15 minutes only for confirmation in the direction of the market, meaning the market to drop lower here, and then do another retracement, and then start going low again. Well, thank you very much, folks. This is your friend, George Flores, and I will start doing more analysis in the Forex market. Thank you.